Yo, what is good, guys? Back with another video once again. Sorry about the exposure there, it's gonna be changing. But in the alleyway, got the hubba, got the rail. Currently sitting on the bank, on the quarter, bank, and got a little Josh Brantos over there. And now, guys, today's different, alright? Today I experienced my first ever earthquake, and we could literally have another earthquake at any point.
Good morning. As we come on air this Wednesday, Melbourne is assessing the damage of a magnitude 5.8 earthquake. Here are some of the first pictures of damage. A popular burger place partially collapsed in multiple locations, and high-rise buildings in the city have been evacuated. The tremor was powerful, felt far beyond the Victorian capital, with reports this morning of shaking felt in Canberra, in Sydney, in Adelaide, and even in Tasmania.
So we're gonna capture it on camera if it happens again. It was literally all over the news, everywhere on social media. People were saying like, yo, did you feel that earthquake? It was weird as I was literally walking and everything was just like, so like, yeah, today's a risk to be riding, guys. If we stack on the rail and there's an earthquake, we could literally hurt ourselves. So, gonna get some clips. Let's gang it right now. Boom. So yeah, I've gotten a few clips now. I think Josh and I are gonna head off to the local because it is hot and we need a drink, we need to cool down. So we're gonna get an Uber there. Yes. Gang, see you there. What's good, guys? We're down here now. Josh and I left my house and we went to the local down a bowl, and then there was like 1,000 people there. So we left there. Now we're down here at Rockbank. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this is Rockbank Skate Park. I have been riding here for many years. I don't think I've actually filmed an actual video here. But yeah, this is Rockbank. This is probably like 10 minutes from Melton. Cool little park. Has some cool features in here. Like there's a cool quarter to bank. In my opinion, it's one of the cooler ramps here. Also have a rail, hubba. Yes, bank to bank, freeway box. And the hubba for that obviously goes over to this side. And over here you have this big bank. You have this street spine. And you also have this normal spine here, which the boys and I absolutely love this spine. Favorite spine. Josh, come on. Yeah, see, look at that. Perfect tranny. Yeah, I'm gonna grab some clips here now. I'm gonna set up the tripod. Might grab some clips on the GoPro. And yeah, we'll just see what happens. Hopefully there's no earthquake. Fingers crossed. Just saying, guys, I'm with Brad and Josh again, so I'm gonna get some clips of these boys while I'm like riding and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna get a clip of Brad now. Yeah. Grippy rail.
That's why I haven't been in it.
Grippy rail.
Why did you tell me that? I thought you had it, man.
What's a waxed?
Man just said, yeah, go. Yeah, I know it's not that grippy, bro. I mean, I know it's grippy. That's why I haven't been riding it.
Damn. Damn. Beef.
You wanted to grind it.
Oh.
Yeah? Well, I did. Yeah? And I didn't grind it. Oh, it's going to be you.
Beef.
It's going to be grippy.
Nah, beef. Nah. Alright, guys, we're just having a little break now, eating some pizza supplied by old mate Brett. Pretty sure this is Aussie.
It is Australia, bro.
Australia.
I thought we were in America.
Not anymore, we're coming back yesterday.
I thought this was a cheese in New York.
And after this, I'm pretty sure we're heading to Woodley, which is just across the bridge, which is like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So after this, I guess we'll see you guys at Woodley unless I get some clips here, but if not, see you guys at Woodley. Just rocked up to Woodley, guys. This place is packed. There's that many kids. It's like
Someone...
getting it.
Yeah, so you...
that. That's not even the skate park.
You feel me?
Oh, that's alright. Yo! Alright guys, didn't get no clips here unfortunately, because obviously you guys seen the park was absolutely packed before. Now it's just down to like 5-6 kids.
They wasted our bloody daytime,
Our
mate.
whole entire day, bro. This whole entire park was packed, dude. Can't even explain it, but we're heading off now, and I think we're gonna go home and play some Fortnite
Fortnite
or some shit. So keep on watching the vlog, and we'll see what we get up to, lads.